Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to add hashtags to your YouTube video in 2020. Alright, so we're gonna add hashtag above the title right here, or you can choose to have a hashtag to the right of the title. Alright, so to do this, log into your YouTube account. After that, just go up to the top right corner, click on this profile image. Go down and click on YouTube Studio. Alright, now go to the left sidebar, click on Videos, and choose the video you want to add hashtags on. So I'm gonna choose this one. Click on this edit icon, Details. Alright, so we're gonna do this in the description. At the end of the description, we're gonna add 3 hashtags. So first we're gonna add hashtag and just your hashtag Shopify. And you can add another one, space and hashtag, and maybe Shopify tutorials. And the last hashtag, I'm just gonna add my own channel name, like so. After that, just go to this one and click on Save. Now go down to this video link, click on your video to check if this works. I'm just gonna pause the video. And above the title, you can see that we have the hashtags 1, 2, and 3. If I click on one of the hashtags, we can see that this video ends up in the searches for this hashtag. Okay, so that's nice if you want to have more exposure, if you want to find trending hashtags that are similar to your own video. Alright, if I go back, and we can also add a hashtag next to the title. So the hashtag next to the title to the right will override these hashtags. Alright, just so you know. So to do that, just go back to the studio, go to your title, and add your hashtag right here. Like so. And if you go down and leave these hashtags, I'm gonna show you that this override these hashtags. Okay, so just go and click on Save. Go back to the video and update. Like so. And now you can see that 3 hashtags above the title is gone. And now we see the new hashtag next to this title to the right. Alright, if you go down to the description and go down, we can still see the hashtags right here in the description. Okay, so this is how you can add a hashtag to the right of the title, but also add hashtags in the description so they end up above the title right here. If you use the hashtag in the title, this will override the other hashtags in the description. Okay, at least on the title. If I click on the hashtag right here, we still get the video right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add hashtags to your YouTube video in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below, and also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day, take care and bye.